We had to try this. A lot of you might have seen this from Joe Tate. I think it's on Rex Research and freeenergy.com, or you'll find it in a few places. So we got to try that out. Here it is here with our new diodes. This is supposed to like double the voltage, but I doubt it. But let's see if we get any more voltage than what we're getting with it or not. So we're gonna go replace that circuit out there with this one and see what happens. Okay, we connected it up out there. We'll be back in a minute to see how that goes up, how much it goes up. Here's the circuit. Now that other circuit, I had the capacitors way up there and these little jumper wires. So our other circuit, you could see the mark down there, was over here coming up. So it's not, like I said, if there's some kind of reaction with the chair, this circuit is not in the exact same position as this one was. Yeah, I could just maybe add one more short alligator clip there to bring this circuit down to this spot. But let's see how that goes. Let's see here. 68. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna double, but it's not going up fast enough to say it's gonna double. But I'll be back. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, that's about it. 78 volts. Let me try moving the circuit out there a little bit and see if we can get any more. Alright. Like I said, now I just added the little green wire down there to bring this circuit down in the same area this circuit was laying in. So let's see if there's a difference now. Oh, it's going up. Going up fast. Alright, we'll be back. Let's see where that goes. Okay, with that new circuit, 119.3. I'm gonna see if I can move it in that box a little bit more. I'll be right back. Okay, so with that new circuit, 119.5. Pretty close to our last circuit. It's still going up very, 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 very slowly there. 119.6. Fluctuating. Yeah, I'd say that's about it. Maybe after another 10 minutes I might get up to 120. It's funny, taking off the old circuit and putting on this new one. I accidentally, well, I just wasn't thinking, but I grabbed both probes at once off of the positive and negative. And, yeah, I got a heck of a shock. My thumbs felt that for about the 10 minutes. That was funny. So, we're getting some energy there. Let me try the ground again. Now I'm thinking, hold on here. I got the electrical cord attached to my phone right now because it was dying out. So let me try adding the ground on here. That other wire that we have hanging up there. Let me try connecting that on there, even though we're magnetically coupled to the ground through here. I'm also thinking about maybe I should just attach a rod onto this rod here and put that onto its ground instead of the one that's coupled over there. But we're just over 119 volts, so let's see what happens when I attach the ground down there. Alright. Let's see what that's doing. Is voltage going up or going down? Huh. Couple tenths of a volt. It's 120. It's going up a little bit. Not much. It's 120 volts. Okay, that's about it. Again, if I wait 10 minutes, it might go up 3 points or something. Wow, 120 exactly. Alright. One more thing real quick. Like I said, I'm going to attach the ground to this rod right here because this ground is stuck in the ground. It's not that far. It's probably 5 inches, 4 or 5 inches. So let's see what happens if I attach that ground to the circuit instead of this ground that's going through our coil. Let's see what happens there. Alright, so we swapped our ground out over there. That's just with this green wire here going to this ground. So now it has a separate ground. Let's see what happens here. Voltage going up or down? Up and down, up and down. Huh. Not much difference. Huh. Alright, might have to wrap things up soon here. Alright, it's getting dark outside. Let me think. I've been out here many hours. Let me think about that. I'll be back. Alright, 122 volts, and that's with that new circuit. So yeah, I don't know. I gotta think about this now. I'm surprised that that circuit gave us just as much voltage as the last circuit did. I'm surprised it wasn't less. I'm surprised it's not more. I'm surprised it's the same. So anyhow, geez, it was a really good day today. Long, good day today. I'm gonna pack it up for today, and it gives us time to think about things. Well, I think the next thing is we'll kind of just leave it here for now. Stop trying to increase voltage at this point, and let's start charging some capacitors again. Now, the last time I charged a large capacitor was it was rated at 50 volts. It was 3,500 microfarads. You saw it at the end of one of my videos there. It generated approximately a 3-inch long spark. And that was charging for like 3 hours up to the source voltage, which was only 30 volts. Okay, we were charging that with 30 volts. Now we've got, then we went to 80s, and now we're 120 volts. So now, well, now I might need a different capacitor, because the capacitor I use is only rated at 50 volts. But would it destroy it? I mean, we don't have a ton of current. I don't know, man. I got a heck of a shock off it. Maybe I'll just see how long it takes to charge it up to 30 volts again. And yeah, we got to make some kind of spark gap and all that stuff, but that's another episode. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching and sticking with me. I really appreciate it.